Hi, I'm Dan Hunter. I'm one of the founders of Yoshi and the Chief Hardware Officer. We get a lot of questions about safety. I think it's important to communicate that this is something we're thinking about in the design, the way that we operate, the way that we train our drivers, the way that we test our equipment. Everybody behind the scenes is constantly thinking about safety of both the users and the field technicians in the field operating our equipment. The first Yoshi truck was built in my garage in 2015. And since then, we've added more and more elements of safety and reliability. We use a pickup truck that has a chassis-mounted tank system, 3 separate 110-gallon tanks, top-loaded, meaning that they don't have any kind of fittings on the bottom that might leak. They come from a world-class manufacturer here in the United States, and all the engineering and design has been tested and approved by the Department of Transportation, and so we've built kind of our whole system around these tanks. It's a much smaller profile. We're not carrying a lot of fuel, which makes it just a much safer operation. Each truck is placarded, registered with the state that it's in. Each truck has an onboard spill kit, safety cones, fuel flashers. Our drivers wear a lanyard with a remote shutoff. In the case of any kind of emergency, the driver can remotely shut down the entire system. We've thought about everything, even the smallest details. When we think about safety, we think about the people that we work with. We're hiring, the top 1% of fuel drivers. Oftentimes, these guys are former tanker truck drivers, so they already understand hazmat, they already understand the danger, and then we put them through an extensive training. How to use the equipment on the truck, how to use the safety equipment, fire suppression, spill, cleanup and recovery, accident response, how we operate in a safe manner, what are the protocols, what are our kind of standard operating procedures. Every driver right in their app has access to a driver handbook, so if they forget anything, they can just look it up right there in their app. Everyone here at Yoshi is deeply committed to the safety of both the drivers and the customers. I think when you're doing something new or something for the first time, it presents an opportunity to really kind of be at the forefront of what's going on. We have world-class partners, ExxonMobil and General Motors, who've provided endless resources and kind of helped us to provide world-class customer experience in the safest way possible. I think our team here at Yoshi has done a great job. We have the best technology, we have the best training, and the best people. We have the safest experience available.